Hello friends, welcome back to Arna's channel. Today I will tell you how to entertain a 2-year-old kid with some art and craft activities. You can do these activities at home with some household objects and kids learn a lot by doing this. So let's see the first activity. Stamping activity. For this, you just need colors and different kind of objects such as fork, cotton buds or any vegetables. Here we are using fork. I took red color and white paper. Just dip the fork in red color and stamp on the paper. Here I am helping Arna to do the same. It is just simple now. I am drawing a stem and leaves here. So here you can see Arna did stamping very beautifully with the help of Mama. If you want to use vegetables, just cut the veggie in 2 parts. Take one part of that and dip in the color and do stamping. At this age, kids learn very quickly, so you just need to help your toddler to do this type of art. Next is Atta Dough activity. This is an engaging activity for toddler. They love to play with dough, and this activity can engage them for almost 30 to 40 minutes. Here Arna is making a kind of teddy from dough. For this we use atta dough, 3 pieces of clove and 1 piece of cinnamon. I have divided atta dough in 2 parts. One part is smaller than the other part. I fixed the smaller part of dough on the bigger part. Now Arna and me making eyes and nose of Teddy using cloves. Here Arna wants to make Teddy on her own, but I am not giving her. It is so funny now, but kids love to do fun activity. Lastly, I fixed cinnamon to make Teddy's ear. One more art Arna loves to do using dough. So let's see. I have drawn grapes on white paper and colored the dough using green color. Arna just take a small piece of dough and stick on the paper. Here you can see how nice it is looking after completion. You also help your kid to do these activities at home. They will surely enjoy this. If your kid also love to do these activities, please hit the like button and comment below. To watch such more interesting activities of Arna, don't forget to subscribe the channel. Thank you.